come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, AGS Chicago? Now 1 and 1 is 2, 2 and 2 is 4. Come on, Obama, just walk right through that door. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, AGS Chicago?
Now, 2 and 2 is 4, 1 and 2 is 3, sir. Oprah, Second City, give me
deep dish pizza. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, AGS Chicago? 2016 minus 1908 is 108, and that's how long the Cubs will have to wait again. Sorry, Ken, don't you wanna go back to that same old place, AGS Chicago? Must a doctor examine before they are all serene free? Yes, and how many years can Medicare exist before hearing aids are made free? Yes, and how many times can Congress turn its head and pretend that they just don't see? The answer, my friend, costs $3,000 per year. The answer costs $3,000 per year. Yes, and how many trials will it take till we see hearing aids bright in the day? Yes, and how many lives could be fuller and free if we didn't turn them away? Yes, and when will we act making hearing care known so everyone hears what we say? The answer, my friend, is hearing equity. The answer is hearing equity. Once upon a time you took some eglitide, now you speak to dogs in Klingon fluently. Your taxes are filed, your fridge is clean. Michelle Obama gave you a shout out on your LinkedIn feed. It fixed your Comcast feed. It made your ex concede. You were crowned by BuzzFeed. Brought your dead Vikings back to leave. They even chose the next pope from your tweet. How does it feel? How does it feel? Reversed your student loans, a Grammy for trombone, to befriend Emma Stone. are coming, and it's working fine. Though the pills were fake, I still told the line. I'm 6 months clean and dreaming with melatonin tea. If Johnny could ditch prison, then I can ditch BDZ.
I used to pop my benzos each night before I lie. I told folks, don't you take them, then I take them on the sly. And then they swap my script out with nothing but a lie. They gave me that placebo, I kissed benzos goodbye.
Miss my benzos, ate soap instead of cheese. Microwave my slippers twice with extra peas. My nights are calm and quiet, no drama to police. Ain't played cards with the blender since my dose decreased. Just a small town doc, working hard against the clock. Ordered tests in a rush, not sure they were right. Just a frail old guy, feeling old and not so spry. Gets a PSA, but he's 95. Clinics overflow, but the value's low. Nudge doctors to do what's right. Overstreaming, hold on to good reasoning, less tests, more care. Come on, don't keep overtreating. Hold on, stop the leaning on pills, not skills on. Making cash in the afternoon was your vibe while I'm half gowned in the cat room. Making cash, I blinked once and my stent's in place. By the time I got up, someone else took my place. I gave meds one more chance. One more chance.
And it's our last song to go out, so just go wild with this one.
Come on, Baby, don't you wanna go? Oh, come on. Baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, AGS Chicago. Alex did 6, Ken and Eric did 8. But this is our last literature update. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, AGS Chicago. We've had a few guests. Miguel did 2. For the laughter and the singing, we want to thank you. Come on, baby, don't you wanna go? Back to that same old place, AGS Chicago.